Hey friends, welcome to Naisagi's kitchen. Today I'm back with another recipe which is veg Mughlai paratha. So let's get started. To make a paratha, first of all we have to make a dough. For that, here I am using a half cup of plain flour or maida. Then add salt in it as per your taste. Then slowly add a little water and make a soft dough. Here I am using a 1/3 cup of water to make a soft dough. Now you can see our dough is ready. Apply a little bit of oil and keep it aside for half an hour. Now it's time to prepare a stuffing for paratha. So take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Once the oil is nice and hot, then add a pinch of asafoetida. Then add ginger and green chili paste. You can add garlic paste and onion also. Now add half a cup of finely chopped cabbage. Then 1/3 cup finely chopped carrot. 1/4 cup of finely chopped green peas. And last 1/4 cup of finely chopped capsicum. Now mix this all gently and cook all these vegetables around 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's add all the spices in it. First goes in half teaspoon garam masala. 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander cumin seeds powder, and half teaspoon of red chili powder. And mix this all and keep the gas flame slow. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of dry mango powder and salt as per your taste. Now add 2 small size boiled mashed potatoes and half a cup of grated paneer and mix this all stuffing gently. Now our stuffing is ready. Let it cool down. See, our dough is ready. Add a little bit of oil and make a 2 ball size dough, and then we will make a chapati. So it's time to make a chapati out of this. Let's roll this into a thin round sheet and put it into a hot tawa. And cook it both sides until it half roast without any oil or butter. Remember, we need only half roast chapati, not a full roast. So our all rotis are ready. Now I'm going to fill the stuffing like this. Now fold the roti as an envelope. Fold it from one side and apply some plain flour paste. I just make this paste from plain flour or maida and little bit of water. Now let's fold the other side and make sure it overlaps so that it sticks together. And now seal it from other remaining end. And keep it aside and make remaining all parathas. Now we can start roasting them. We can roast it at one side without oil or butter. Let's flip it over and apply a little bit of oil on both the sides. And cook it until you get a golden brown spots. Now our parathas are nicely cooked and ready. It's time to take it out. Our veg Mughlai parathas are ready. It looks yummy as well as delicious in taste. You can serve it with curd, green chutney or sauce, whatever you like. You can store this stuffing in airtight container for 2 to 3 days in refrigerator. So try this recipe at your home and let me know your experience in comment section. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.